Okay, hi guys. So today I want to show you guys something is happening on in my tank, which is on the surface. Everything looks fine. Let me show you. So on the surface, you can see all the coral is doing relatively fine. You see all the coral, even the SPS, the newest edition of the SPS, is also doing fine with the polyps extensions, you know, and the fishes are all fine. Even my torch coral is all showing very good polyp extension, but something is happening in my tank right now. I notice it when the light is off, and I show you in this next video that, you know, if you can see the tissue underneath of some of my hammer coral and some of my torch coral has been receding, and this is not good. Something is happening in the tank. So it is very important to monitor your coral, because on the surface you can see they are doing fine, polyps extensions and all that, but actually they are receding from the base, which is not good. And this and after doing some water tests, I noticed that my magnesium level is quite low. It's not terribly low. It is sitting at 1220 right now, using a Calibrate test kit, and the rest of the major trace element is okay. My KH sits at 9.9. My calcium is also within the safe range, but only the magnesium is on the low side. So what I'll be doing today is I'll be dosing the tank with magnesium from Brightwell Aquatic. This is a 500 milliliter bottle. So I'll be dosing this using my Camor dosing pump, and I will be dosing based on the recommended dosage, which I went to a website, to Google, and search magnesium calculator, and this is what I found out. Went to Marine Depot website and key in the details, and I have to dose around 300 plus milliliter of the solution to get the magnesium level of 1300, which I want it to stay at 1300. So by dosing 360 plus milliliter of magnesium, it is in one go is definitely not recommended. So what I will do is I will use a dosing pump and dose maybe 1 milliliter per hour for a few days, and I will be testing my magnesium level on daily basis to look at how it increase, and hopefully the coral tissue will stop receding, and I will share this with you guys later. I will do a progress video, and let's see. Hopefully magnesium is the one that causing the tissue recession. If it's not magnesium, then I do not know what else, because all the water parameter is still looking very good except for magnesium. Even if you can see my rock structure, they are still very clean. Basically the diatom has receded a lot on the sand bed. I did not stir the sand bed. It's just my Nacerius snail, and hopefully the things that cause this issue is magnesium, which I will be adding in the tank. Okay guys, so next I will show you how I calibrate my Camor dosing pump, and and let's go. So guys, first what I will do is I will prime my dosing pump, Kamoa X1 dosing pump. So first we have to go to the Kamoa 1 dosing pump and enter and go to setting, and under the flow calibration, prime. So when we click prime, it will start moving. You can see here, yeah. Okay, once the water start entering the valve, and we check for any bubbles. If there's none, so we press stop. Okay, so basically the tube line is now prime. Okay, so to calibrate, we go to the second option, which says insert the outlet through the connecting tube into an empty cylinder and click on the digital input of the titration 10 seconds. Place the other outlet and the tube into the measuring cylinder and click start. So I have one tube in the magnesium bottle, and one tube, the outlet is in the calibration cylinder. So I will add start. So it will run for 10 seconds. Okay, so the pump is already stopped. Okay, so right now we have to enter the volume of liquid in the measuring cylinder and click complete. So from here I can see it is 6.7 is 7 milliliter. So let me click 7 milliliter and hit complete. Okay, so now the pump has been calibrated to do a test run. So what we do is we go back. Let me pour this solution back to the bottle. So now the jar is empty. We click on the, okay, so let's say I want to add 5 milliliter of the solution, and let's see if the calibration has been accurate. I put in and I hit on the start at, so it's 5 milliliter start at. Okay, so the pump has stopped, and let's check if the solution is 5 milliliters. Okay, so if you can see, the solution is right on the dot, 5 milliliter. 5 milliliter. So the calibration is done. What I will do is let's pour back this solution back to the bottle, and I will leave this inlet here. Go to plan. So it's by day, every 1 day, save, and hit the plus button and click on the quick plan. So its start time is basically 24 hours. I will add 12 time, and total volume 24 ml. So anti-chemical interference time 0, and when I click save, okay, so now is already set for 12 time. Every 2 hours it will add 2 milliliter of solution, so that in 1 day I will add 24 milliliter, and let's see, we'll see tomorrow what's the level of magnesium after they have added 1 full round. So the next will be at 10 AM. Now it's 8. So the at 10 PM they will add 2 milliliter, starting to add. So let's see. That's all.